Hello crafty friends, this is Marissa. I am on with a super fun craft haul today. Erica just sent me a whole new batch of dies for the design team, and let me tell you, it is a lot, and I'm still catching up from the last batch because I had stuff going on with family and then we got sick, and so yeah, I'm still catching up. So you might see them all kind of intermixed now. So first off, she sent me the bling set. I think she's selling them individually now for like about $3 or so, but how cute. They're cute. I saw them and I didn't, they didn't catch my eye, but now that I see them, I'm like, oh, I definitely probably could have gone in and ordered these, because the ones I've seen at the Dollar Tree, that's like half the size of this. So, or the amount. So this is a good set. I loved, okay, these two colors scream Halloween, like pastel Halloween colors, and I've got a couple projects that are lime green and purple, and I think I'm going to add them to it, and so you guys come back and check that out when I share that. Okay, we're gonna jump right in because I only have 15 minutes because I don't have, like, I think you have to have more than 1,000 followers to be able to have longer videos, because every time I try to upload something that's like 16-17 minutes, it won't allow it for me. So I don't know what's going on. So right away off the bat, we're got the shopping bag. Okay, this one I've seen images on her shop and it is cute. It is gonna be like, once it's put together, it's gonna be about 3 1/4 by, let's see, almost 2 and what is that, 2 and an 1/8. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be a good size. That is gonna be big. That is gonna be so cute to add lots of like embellishments. Oh my gosh, I love this idea. And it's almost, what, almost 5 inches. It's about 4 3/4 or 7/8, I think, or 6/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7/8. Ooh, that's cute. I like that. Okay, it comes with the little pockets, and then you can, this is gonna be little loops for like your ribbon if you want to add a ribbon through there. This is so cute. And then the little taggies. This is perfect. Like, I would want to use this just for like making Christmas tags. Those are so cute. I love that shape, guys. Okay, this next one is called the Shaker Gift Box, which I lost my little label. I went through and labeled them all. This one I just saw. I couldn't find it on the page. I wasn't looking correctly, but it comes with a little opening on the box here. And this one's going to be about, ooh, wrong way. Almost for 3 1/2 by like 2 1/4, or no, 2 1/2. That's a good size. This is such a cute box. And then it comes with the little, oh, so this will be the top here. That is so cute. And it comes with a bow, and it's words that's treats, Christmas, magic, and joy. And then it, oh, this is what I was thinking of. This is a little flap that goes over this part here. Ooh, that's gonna be cute. And then here's your shaker components and all the bows, and then the bottom part. That is a good size box. I think this would be cute to like fill with my Christmas trim that I do with the fabric. Oh my gosh, that's cute. This is probably one of my favorites, the Christmas tag bundle. And it comes with these 2 tags, like the inner piece and then the outer layer one, which has like a star scallop shape. That is so cute. And then it comes with 2 little bows. Oh my god, so cute. This, oh, I love this. This set here is like all one piece, so it's gonna fold once you cut it. Oh, I have so much scraps of paper that are this, like, you know, half size. I'm gonna make that. And then look at this. Oh, those snowflakes are like 2 sizes, so you can layer them up. And then imagine adding your blue bling in the center. Ooh, that's gonna be so cute. I'm gonna do my daughter, thinking I'm gonna make some bookmarks for my daughter's class for Christmas, because they read books. That would be so cute. Super cute. Okay, this next one is called the oh my gosh, it's the stamp set, the Christmas stamp and die set, because it has all these stamps, which are, I love stamps and mixing them in with my crafts. So for me, this is great. Like, best gift ever. I can use that for our Christmas book, a special holiday tree, and the warm winter wishes are like perfect for Christmas tags for like baking goods. The follow la la la, the open me, oh, that's perfect for gifts. Just super cute. And then the tags are so cute. So it comes with this present that you can layer up, and then you have the 2 tags here in different sizes, and they're cute torn tags. I just saw I want to say Jill Norwood had a really cool die set that looked torn, and this reminds me of it. I love that. I'm going to be using that a lot. You guys are going to see this one a lot. Then we have the slim line heart house. This one's a good size. This one's about 7 inches. Yep. And it has the little windows and the heart. It's so cute. I'm going to make a card with this, I think. I love that idea. And then there's the place photo here. This would be cute with all the albums that I do. And then I just had a family wedding that I want to use this on because it says together with, and then the date, time, and location. I love that. That is so cute. Then she sent me all these little alphabets and numbers. So this is for the advent calendar number set. So like if you want to create an advent calendar, how perfect is this to create? And it comes with 2 fonts. It has this one that's more like slanted and curvy, and then this one that's more straight. There's like, what is it, serif and sans serif, so it doesn't have the little extra bits at the end there. And it goes 1 through 31. How perfect is that? I'm going to use this for my October daily. And then this is the peppermint, the candy cane alphabet. It matches the alphabet set. So this is the number set, and it's cute. I'm going to cut some up in like red glitter because I think that's like the best. And then she sent me the Christmas gumball add-on. Oh my gosh, I've seen everybody create with this and the Halloween one, and I'm slacking. I have the gumball machine already, so this is perfect. And it comes with the antlers, and how cute are those little guys there? I want to make a shaker with that. And it comes with the ears and a little hat. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Now these guys here, okay, so I'm going to say this, it's not all together, but she does sell it as a set, or you can buy it individually. So the Advent House set, it comes with, they're like little boxes, and you can, if you want to do like, you know, 12 or, you know, however many for your Advent, you can add the Advent numbers on there. But she sent me the set, and she does sell the set, and she also sells them individually, like I said, and they're a pretty good size. Like the big house, the full size will be about 5 7/8, and then the cross is about 2 5/8, I believe. So that's a good size for the big one, and that'll be the full height of it. And then it comes with the little windows and the extra piece if you want to put there inside. Oh my gosh, this is cute. And then this little one, oh my god, it's adorable. This one, oh sorry, the full size is about 3 3/4, almost 3/4, and then across it's gonna be about 2 3/4. So, and this one comes with just their little round, and it comes with 4, so you can automatically do all 4 in one pass. So that's great, instead of just getting 1 or 2 and having to cut a couple times, because this one you're going to cut it twice, and then that one you would just cut it once. How cool is that? And then the medium size one is 4 3/4 by the 2 7/8. So that's a pretty good size. This one's gonna fit a lot. And it has a little hole there so that you can close them up. They're so cute. But it comes, well, it doesn't come with it, but you order this separately. The mini leaves and bow add-on. So it'll have, you know, the leaves, and you can make garlands, wreath with it, and then add little bows. How cute is that? That is adorable. And then she sent me the rooftop border dice, which I'm assuming can go on this part here across for your rooftop. How perfect is that? I think this is my favorite here. But then this one kind of looks like it's all loppy. I think this would be cute to like add some of this fluff stuff that I have to make it look like snow. Super cute. Then she sent me this really cool 4-ounce cup holder and the coffee sleeve. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to play with this one because I just saw Melissa create a whole set, and oh, so cool. So here's the sleeve part, and it comes with this extra piece here, and then this is the lid part, which it reminds me of a flower. That's so cute. And then it comes with the little scallop circles to lay over the top. This is such a cute little set. And then here's the holder itself, and it comes with the part that you sit your cup in. This is for the side, and you cut 2 of those, and then this is, I believe this is the base of it. So you can sit it up. And then this is the middle component of it, and here's another side of it. So cute. And then you can overlay, you know, to cut there if you don't want to add this piece. So cool. I love this. And I think, but I gotta say, I think my favorite, wow, it's gotta get in line because there's a couple of ones that were my favorite, is the oven mini album. And I love mini albums, you guys. Like, I think that's one of my favorite things to make. But this oven is so cute. You can make it a shaker window here on the oven door. So this is your full base piece here, and it comes with, you know, the layer piece for like your colored paper or printed paper if you wanted. And then the stove part, and then here's the little pilot circle parts for the oven, and then the knobs here for, and then it comes with the little chef's hat. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And the vegetables, that is adorable. And then the little bowl with the little stars, how cute is that? But so here's the oven door, and this is kind of where you would create your shaker piece, and it says recipes. So your inside of your book, when you layer it up, is where you would put your recipes on there. And I have a stamp that says like recipe, like info or whatever, and I think it'd be cute to stamp it there. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a cute album. And I was thinking that you could just like glue this part and make it like a pocket, so you would sit it here. Oh my god, I'm just like, my mind is ideas. Then we have the baking shaker plates, which, oh my gosh, little charcuterie boards, how tiny and cute. And then the little chef's hat, so cute. But I think the charcuterie board and the little rolling pins are my favorite. How cute are those? And then the little oven mitts, they're adorable. They're tiny, so that you can add these into your shaker mix to make here. Oh, it's gonna be so cute. I can't wait. So that is my set, you guys. Come back and see what I create with them. You know to go to ScrapDivaDesigns.com. MWalker10 is my discount code for 10% off. And I think if you spend over $75, you get like free shipping. So definitely worth it. There's so many ways to use your dies in different styles. So keep an eye out, because I think I'm going to jump in these tonight and make some for Christmas, or not Christmas, Halloween, because I still have my Halloween stuff out. I usually don't switch over until November. So come back and be inspired, you guys. Thanks so much. Bye.